So your Rolex is coming up for service. What should you actually do? And more importantly, when should you do it? This is something a lot of Rolex owners do not fully understand, especially if they bought their watch from the secondary market, from an independent dealer, or from a gray market seller. You buy the watch, you enjoy it, you wear it for years, and then one day someone tells you, by the way, you need to service that. But what does that actually mean? A Rolex is not just a piece of jewelry. Inside the case, you have a mechanical movement with tiny parts working every single day. The gears, the rotor, the oils, the seals, the crown, the crystal, the bracelet, everything has a job. And over time, even a watch as strong as a Rolex needs to be checked properly. Now, the old advice you used to hear all the time was to service your Rolex every 4 or 5 years. Today, Rolex officially says around every 10 years, depending on the model and how the watch is used. But the real answer is not one perfect number. It depends on whether you wear the watch every day, whether it goes in the water, whether it gets knocked around, and whether it is still keeping good time. If your Rolex is your daily watch and you wear it all the time, then servicing matters. The movement is constantly running, the oils inside the movement slowly age, and the waterproof seals can lose strength over time. So even if the watch looks perfect from the outside, the inside may still need attention. The first thing you should do is simple. Take the watch to an official Rolex retailer or an official Rolex service center. If you have a local Rolex authorized dealer, you can bring the watch in, they can book it in for you, and it will be sent to Rolex for inspection. If you are in Dubai, you can take it through an official Rolex retailer and service center such as Ahmed Sadiki. They can arrange the servicing for your Rolex through the official Rolex service network. The watch will be checked, Rolex will prepare an estimate, and you will be contacted with the work required before anything is done. That part is important. Rolex will not just start working on the watch and surprise you with a bill. They inspect it first, tell you what needs to be done, and give you a quote. Once you approve the estimate, then the service begins. A normal Rolex service will usually include the movement being taken apart, cleaned, lubricated, adjusted, and tested. The watch will also be checked for waterproofness, accuracy, power reserve, and general condition. If parts are worn, Rolex may recommend replacing them. If the crown is damaged, if the crystal is chipped, if the bezel is marked, or if the bracelet needs work. That is why 2 Rolex services are not always the same price. A simple Oyster Perpetual or Datejust is usually different from something like a Daytona, because a chronograph movement is more complicated. And if the watch needs extra parts, the final price can be higher. So as a general idea, you should expect a proper Rolex service to cost several $100s or more. And depending on the model and condition, it can easily move higher once additional work is added. The good thing is that you will know before you approve it. Once the service is completed, the watch usually comes back running properly, tested, regulated, and in many cases, looking much fresher than before. Rolex can also polish the watch if you agree to it, which can make it look almost new again. But this is where collectors need to be careful. Not every Rolex should automatically be polished. If you have a modern daily wear Rolex and you want it to look clean again, polishing can make sense. But if you have a rare vintage piece or a very collectible watch where the original case shade matters, too much polishing can hurt the value. So before you say yes to polishing, think about what kind of watch you have. There is also another important point. If you bought a fully sealed Rolex or an unworn watch that has been sitting in a safe, you do not necessarily need to rush into servicing it just because a few years have passed. If the watch has not been worn and the movement has not been running every day, it has not had the same level of mechanical wear as a watch on someone's wrist. But that doesn't mean you ignore it forever. Even when a watch is sitting unused, oils can still age over time, and seals can still dry out. So if you are planning to start wearing an older, unworn watch, it is smart to have it checked first, especially if you want to take it near water. But if the watch is fully sealed, unworn, and kept as a collector piece, opening the case just for the sake of servicing may not be the best idea. Once the case is opened, it is no longer exactly in the same untouched condition. For serious collectors, that matters. So the rule is simple. If you wear the Rolex regularly, service it when it is due, when it starts losing accuracy, when the crown feels rough, or when you are unsure about the waterproofness. If it is unworn, sealed, and kept as an investment piece, do not service it just to follow a schedule. Keep it in original condition, store it properly, and only have it checked if you plan to wear it or sell it with a condition report. And one more thing, always think carefully before using a random watchmaker. There are very good independent watchmakers, and some are excellent with Rolex. But if originality, Rolex parts, service history, and resale value matter to you, then an official Rolex service center or a properly accredited specialist is usually the safest route. Because with Rolex, the watch itself is only one part of the value. The condition, the parts, the paperwork, and the service history all matter. So if your Rolex is due for service, do not panic. Take it to Rolex, an official Rolex service center, or a trusted accredited specialist. Get the estimate first, understand what work they recommend, and then decide from there. A Rolex is built to last for decades, but only if it is looked after properly. And the mistake many people make is waiting until something goes badly wrong. The watch may still be ticking, but if the oils are dry and parts are wearing inside the movement, you could turn a normal service into a much more expensive repair. So, look after it before it becomes a problem. And if you are looking to buy, sell, or source your next Rolex, whether it is a Submariner, Daytona, GMT Master, or something much rarer, reach out to Big Mo Watches. We are based in Dubai and specialize in sourcing unworn and highly sought-after luxury watches from around the world. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.